Hello and welcome. This is the Gshock GA-700 and I'm going to show you how to change your daylight saving time mode or how to turn it on or off. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. So let's go. And there it is. Hands are out of the way and we have our time zone setting over here. Whilst your time zone is flashing, press the lower left button once and you are in the position of changing your daylight saving time mode. You can change it by pressing the lower right button and you will shuffle it between on or off. Once it's the way you want it, simply press the adjust button and the watch will go back to the standard timekeeping mode with your daylight saving time mode, in this case turned on, and if it's turned on it will also say over here. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.